Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video we're gonna make garlic chili sauce. This is specialized in where I'm come from in Surabaya, and now it's really tasty. So let's give it a try. For the ingredients, what we need here, we have 350 grams of chili. So what I use is 2 big chilies like this, and then about 300 to 310 grams bird's eye chili or small chili. Here we have 350 grams shallot mixed with garlic. The ratio is, what I'm using is about 320 grams shallots and 30 grams of garlic. We have a shrimp paste, MSG, sugar, salt, oil, and we're gonna use chopper or food processors to help to blend it. First thing you want to do, just take out the stem from the chili. Next step is I'm gonna cut the shallots and the garlic to the smaller pieces, so it's not going to be hard on our food processor or our chopper. The first step that I'm going to do, garlic, I'm going to chop them first. Alright, so it's done. So this is how it looks like. That's enough. So I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. Now, because my food processor or my chopper is really small, so I'm going to do this 3 times. So I'm going to divide it by 3, and it doesn't really matter the order. You want to do the chili first and then the garlic, or you want to mix them. It's completely up to you guys. This is the one that what we want. So it's not too big, just coarse like this, and this is perfect. For the big chili, you can just chop it off like this, so it's gonna be easier to put it inside. And as I have mentioned before, if you have a bigger chopper, obviously you can chop them all in one run. But if you have a small one like me, you're just gonna do it a couple of times. So alright guys, so this is what it looks like. So we have a mixture between chili and the shallots, and then we have the garlic. So next steps, we're gonna heat up the oil and we're gonna start frying. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to heat up the wok. Doesn't really matter. So you want to heat up the oil. It's very simple. It's 1, 1, 1. So if you have 350 grams of shallots, mixed shallots and garlic, you will have 350 grams of chili, and then the oil that you're gonna use is gonna be 350 milliliters. So we have 350 mils over here. So while the oil is still cold, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the garlic. So what it does is gonna infuse the oil and the garlic. So it's gonna be super tasty on the oil. So we're gonna leave it there and we're gonna wait until it starts to get hot. You know when it's ready, the oil, the garlic gives you that fragrance. It's very, very nice, very aromatic. So now you gotta make sure you're gonna use a medium or medium low, and then you can put all the chilies inside. And you want to cook it for about 3 minutes, 2 minutes with a medium low. Then you're going to change the heat to low. When you see the bubble is formed, you want to add about 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon MSG, and about 1 teaspoon shrimp paste. Just mix them all. After you mix the ingredients, give it a try just to make sure it's everything okay. So, because it's still a little bit bland, I'm gonna add 2 more teaspoons of salt, 1 more teaspoon the MSG, 2 more teaspoon sugar, and 1 more teaspoon of the shrimp paste. So now the total ingredients is 4 teaspoons salt, 4 teaspoons sugar, 2 teaspoons MSG, and 2 teaspoons of shrimp paste. We're gonna cook it again. I give it a taste, it's perfect. It's sweet, salty, spicy. Last step, you wanna put your heat to low and then add about 150 ml of water, and we're gonna cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes. And remember, the key is to make sure you're using low heat. So after 30 minutes with the low heat, you see the water is pretty much reduced and you know it's ready. Pretty much, if you see the oil over here, it became red. So it's ready. So now we're gonna transfer it to a bowl and we're gonna give it a test. Alright guys, so this is the final versions. This is the results of the garlic chili sauce, or in Indonesia it's sambal bawang. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it tastes. This is wonderful. It's spicy, salty, sweet. It's a nice mix, very, very nice. So give it a try after you cook it. And if you think you need a little bit more salt, you need a little bit more sugar, you can add it in the end. because in the end of the day the oil is still hot anyway. So that's it for our video, guys. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.